Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M11 and today I would like to show you how to operate a permission manager. Firstly, open settings. Now scroll down and choose privacy. Tap on permission manager and for example I will go with location. So now you have to choose an app like camera and pick one of the options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that camera gained access to this device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!